Hello, nice to see you guys again. This is Clarence sir from Sync Academy. Today is our part 4 of our daily practice. We're going to talk about percentages. It will be commonly used in secondary school in order to figure out the relationship between the quantity and percentages. So let's start with how to read it, okay? 80% reads as 80%. And the original way to write it is to leave a space between per and cent, but well, nowadays many students and even teachers will just write them together, okay, like this. But this both way are correct, so it will be read as 80%. Question B, express 150 meters out of 250 meters in percentages. It is quite straightforward. You just use 150 over 250, and you get 15 over 25, and it will equals to 3 over 5. And as we all know, 3 over 5 equals to 0.6. And final step, just to convert it into percentages, it will equals to 60%. Okay, so question C. Tom has $14, which is 30% less than what Jerry has. What percentage of the total money is Jerry's money? Okay, so because Tom has $14 and it is 30% less than what Jerry has, so if we take Jerry's money as 100%, okay, as 100%, so Tom's money will be 1 minus 30%. It will equals to 70%. Okay, so and normally students will just trying to figure out the Jerry's money first and then add them together, and you will finally get the percentages of total money is Jerry's money. But it is, I'll teach you a method we can avoid all this complicated calculation. Okay, so because if we take Jerry's money as 100% and Tom's money will be 70%, so in total there will be 100% plus 70%. If we use Jerry's money, we use Jerry's money as a unit, okay? We use Jerry's money as a unit. So in total it will be 170%. And how much about the Jerry's money, okay? So it will be 100%. So it will be 100% over 100% plus 70%. So it will equals to 100% over 170%, and it will equals to 10 over 17. Because this question tells you to correct it to the 4 decimal places and express your answers in percentages, so we will use a rounding off. It will equals to 0.5882. And you convert it to percentages, it will be 58.82%. Okay, so I'm sure that most of you will get the idea behind this question. So let's move on to question 2. Okay, a pair of shoes is sold at a discount of 20% for $300. Find the mark price. So first of all, we need to understand what does it mean by a discount of 20%. So a discount of 20% means if we have like 100% of the original mark price and you minus 20%, that means you get a 20% discount. The new price, the discounted price, will be 80% of the original mark price. So now the discounted price is $300, and you discounted and you divided it by 80%, you will get the original marked price. So the answer will be 375. But don't forget the unit. So it will be $375. Okay. So let's move on to our last question. This looks a bit complicated, right? So all the products in a shop are on sale at a 20% discount. If a customer is a member of the shop, then the customer can get an additional 10% discount based on the new selling price. So Sophie is a member of the shop and wants to buy a product with a marked price of $250. Okay, so this is a original marked price. How much should Sophie pay? Okay, in order to solve this problem, first of all, we need to consider the 20% discount. So after the 20% discount, all the product will becomes 80% of the original marked price. But Sophie is also a member, so he gets an additional 10% discount based on the new selling price. So this is very important. You need to be focused on this word, new selling price. Okay, so the new selling price is actually the 80% discount of the original marked price. So if I write it down, the calculation process, it will be 250 times 80%. And then this new selling price you will get an additional 10% of this new selling price. So it will be 90%. You times 80% and times 90%, you will get 250 times 80% will equals to 200. And you times 90%, it will equals to 180%. Also, don't forget the unit. So it will be 180%. $180. Okay. So these two questions is about like the integrated problems in the economic circumstances. Okay. So you just focus on how much is the marked price and how much is the discounted price, and I'm sure you will be fine. So that's all about today's lecture, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.